Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to use Trello's voting power-up. This feature is a game changer for team collaboration and decision-making, so let's dive right in. First things first, we need to enable the voting power-up. Head over to your Trello board and click on the Show menu button on the top right. Then, click on Power-Ups. Here you would find the voting option. Click on it and then hit Enable. The reason we do this is to bring the voting functionality to our board, allowing team members to vote on cards. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step, which is to vote on a card. To do this, simply click on a card to open it, and you will see the Vote button in the Actions section. Click on it to cast your vote. This helps us because it allows every team member to have a say in important decisions, promoting a democratic and inclusive environment. Next up, let's learn how to view the votes. You can see the number of votes a card has right on the front of the card. If you want to see who voted, open the card and the voters' avatars will show up next to the vote count. This transparency ensures everyone is aware of the team's preferences and opinions. Now, let's say you've changed your mind about a vote. To remove your vote from a card, open it up and simply click on the Vote button again. The button will go from green back to gray, indicating that your vote has been removed. This is important because it allows us to alter our choices as new information or developments come to light. The final step is to disable the voting power-up once you're done. To do this, go back to the Power-Ups menu, find the voting power-up, and click on Disable. This step, although not mandatory, is recommended if you're not actively using the voting feature to avoid overcrowding your power-ups list. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Trello's voting power-up. By utilizing this feature, you can ensure that every team member's voice is heard, making your project management more democratic and efficient. So go ahead, give it a try, and see the difference it makes. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and until next time, happy voting!